How about Coventry University?
Nyawezo about Coventry University.
There were quite a few things I enjoyed whilst at Coventry. The interaction with my lecturers, I thought that was brilliant because each time I had a problem, I knew that I could always go and talk to anybody and they would always be ready to help.
Coventry University for me was a way departure from the experience I had in University of Ghana, where lecturers come, they just talk at you, they just give you course materials, you just go and study, you have to repeat. But Coventry gave me the opportunity to try different things, try and read around, had industry understanding of those things that we were studying in the classroom.
There were quite a lot of skills that were taught. It wasn't only being in the classroom, but they also organized business courses, you know, how to run a business, entrepreneurship skills, the career counseling. I mean, those skills were actually what helped me start my own business.
Time management has really helped me. I've also realized that working as part of a team is the key to everything that you do. In my business, if you come, you can tell who the CEO is. We're all together, we work together, and at the end of the day, we all achieve the goal and we laugh. So that's two basic things I learned. And the kind of culture that is there, I also made sure I implemented that Coventry University culture in my business. Yeah.
I think those things I learned from Coventry University has helped me. Now I think better. I look at things from so many angles, and before I tell someone something in the organization, I have to think around it, look at all the possible solutions and things. So for me, what I'm doing now and how I'm enjoying it, if I hadn't been to Coventry University, I don't know if I wouldn't say I would be doing that now. Yes, so for that education I had contributed so much to what I'm doing now.
I made so many friends. You know, there were so many people from different cultures, different backgrounds, and even up to now, a lot of the people I met at university are still my friends. So I think those were actually the most important things I learned from Coventry.
Moving to England from Ghana was a culture shock. Why am I saying that? For once, you saw a society that was well planned. Anywhere you want to go, from the rail station, you have people directing you. You didn't need to ask anybody about where you're going. You walk straight to the information center, and you can easily get your way around. That for me was a way departure. The place was, in fact, Coventry is a very clean city. I really like that.
I've been to the UK so many times before on holiday. But what was actually daunting was leaving my family behind and knowing that I had to be alone for the very first time. The international office did so well because during induction week, they warmed up to you, they introduced you to so many different people. You were able to, you know, make friends during the first week. And I think after making friends, I met people from Ghana, I met people from Gambia, I'm half Gambian as well. And I met people from a school that I was before. So I actually felt more relaxed after induction week, and I think after that it was just straight, you know, fly through after that.
I like the city very much. It's majority, you have most of people in the city being students.
I like Coventry University because the environment is so serene. I mean, Coventry University, I mean, if you get to the environment, you could tell that, I mean, everybody is friendly. And as I speak to you now, I just spoke to you that I miss the place because I got to Coventry and I was loved. I love people around, and I can say that alone, I mean, wherever you go, you miss it. There's a kind of culture there that, I mean, once you get yourself involved, you sort of like move around with.
I think the experience I had in Coventry University helped me so much that it's made me business oriented, and I'm able to do very well.
Students that are thinking about coming to Coventry University is a great place. I just want to encourage you to go there. And if you get out there, just study the system. It will help you great if you get back to Ghana to start something on your own. So I think you are getting yourself involved in something good, and I would advise that quickly grab everything that you need to get to Coventry. It's a welcoming environment, and I would encourage you to get there quickly.
It's excellent. The staff are wonderful. The experience you get from the city itself too is also wonderful. So if you are about making that choice, I would say choose Coventry. Yes.
Coventry University, one of the best universities in the UK. You know, you've got the support from the staff. You've got great friends, great people. You know, from all different nationalities. So go to Coventry.